everybody and welcome to my channel. So this week I have done an extra couple of videos for you and today's video is going to be a review video of some products that I've received from a fabulous company called Beauty Big Bang. I've done a couple of reviews for them in the past, so this is what I'm doing today, another review video for them. So these are the items that I received. Here they are. They came really well packaged, as you can see, with loads of bubble wrap, so there was no problems there with the items getting damaged, which is fabulous. So first off we have what they always send me is a business card of theirs, which is really amazing because it's got all of their social media sites, etc. on the back there and some information for you, and there is their website with their logo. So then what I received was these beautiful Kaleidoscope glass nail files. So I received 3. So these are on the website for £7.88. So what's amazing about these is they all come, let me zoom in, sorry. They all come in their own little case, so they are super well packaged, really easy to look after, really safe and secure in there. So just pop that out, look at that, look at the colours on that, how fab is that? I absolutely love it. So I have received glass nail files before. You can use them on acrylic nails, but they really are much better on natural nails. So the beauty of these glass files is that they are smoother to use on your natural nails. They're a lot gentler to your natural nails, whereas if you use, excuse this, but if you use a nail file like this, your nail can still end up quite jagged. You might not be able to feel it, but it is there, and it can cause a slight amount of trauma to your nail, whereas these glass nail files are so much gentler on your natural nails, which is lovely. So for £7.88 you get 3 in the pack. They come with their own little cases, which I think is absolutely so cute. And here's another one here. How lovely is that? They're so pretty, and then of course you've got the name of the company, Beauty Big Bang, just here. I love them. They are really lovely. So they're small, they're dinky. You can just pop them in your purse, in your handbag. Just carry them with you wherever you are. Yeah, and there's that one there again. It's got the company name. This one is, you can just feel it there on that side, and it's smoother on the other side, so that would be the side that you use there. So you just sort of use it across your natural nail, and it's lovely. And these are long lasting as well. Like I said, I have used them before in the past, and they do last longer than an ordinary nail file. So they are gorgeous. So yeah, so £7.88. Then the next thing that I received from Beauty Big Bang, these gorgeous nail polishes. Now they're not just nail polishes, they are thermal nail polishes. So you pay £26.53, and in that you get 8 bottles of nail polish, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I tried them out on my natural nails, and they went on so smooth. And one thing that I never really like nail polishes as such, but the one thing about these, the reason why I don't like nail polishes is because I don't really like waiting for them to dry. But with these, they were so fast in drying, it was amazing. So definitely worth the money. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to try them out on my practice tips, and then I will show you their capability in hot and cold water. So I shall get started. I've just popped those in hot water. How stunningly beautiful are those colours there? They are gorgeous. So I'm just going to pop them in some cold water and they just go straight back. Okay, so I'll go in with these ones. Love it. So that's in the hot water. So straight into the cold, and there they go. So what I decided to do with these nail polishes, guys, is I took off my nails that I had on at the time and replaced them with a new set so that I could show you exactly what these nail polishes look like on my nails. So I started off by sculpting a fresh new set of nails. The acrylic liquid and powder that I used was from Miss You Beauty, again, which I do have a discount code for, so check that out in the description box. I also used these nail forms from Crystal Nails to create my actual nail. I only did short nails purely just for this video, basically. So I just apply my Miss You Beauty primer to my nail, and with my Miss You Beauty size 8 acrylic brush I create my nail. So I do actually only film me doing this on one nail because you've seen me do this a dozen times, and the focus of this video is the nail polishes. So yeah, so I create this nail into a ballerina slash coffin style, and it's only short, so you don't see me file it either into shape. I just literally just create this for your benefit. So here are the pictures of the nail polish. So thank you so much for watching my little review video this week, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up as always, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.